Are you ready to inject some serious dread into your YouTube content with thumbnails that scream terror? Today, we're diving deep into the eerie abyss of Google's Nano Banana to show you how to craft terrifyingly effective horror thumbnails that will absolutely hook your viewers. Forget boring, we're talking about creating click-worthy visuals that demand attention, the secret weapon. Nano Banana, a powerful tool for conjuring the most spine-chilling imagery. First, open up Nano Banana, you'll find a surprisingly intuitive interface. Perfect for unleashing your inner horror artist. We'll start by setting our canvas. You'll want to choose a dark, high-contrast background, think deep purples, midnight blues, or stark blacks with subtle textures to add depth. Now, let's add some text. This is crucial for conveying the horror theme. Instantly choose a font that screams danger, something jagged, distressed. Or with a dripping effect, keep the text concise and impactful, like beware, the haunting, or a chilling question. Next, we layer in the scares. Nano Banana offers a library of creepy elements. We're going to use some ethereal, spectral hands reaching out from the darkness, position them strategically to create a sense of menace. Atmosphere is key in horror. Let's add a touch of fog or mist to soften the edges and give our thumbnail a more mysterious, unsettling feel. Play around with the opacity until it's just right. For that extra jolt, a focal point of terror is essential. A pair of glowing red eyes staring out from the gloom can send shivers down any viewer's spine. Place it thoughtfully so it draws the eye without being overwhelming. And there you have it, a terrifyingly effective horror thumbnail crafted with Nano Banana. Experiment with different elements, colors, and compositions, and you'll be dramatically increasing those click-through rates in no time.